Okay, my students were cranking right along on this stuff. So this is systems where you're solving for more than one variable. So we got the substitution method, which is you solve for one of the variables and plug it into the other equation for that variable. Now, if you see this one's already solved for y, so I'm going to take this and plug it into here. So I'd have 2x minus 5 parentheses x minus 2. So 2x minus 5x plus 10 equals 1 minus 3x plus 10 equals 1. Subtract 10, minus 3x equals minus 9, so x equals 3. Now here's the sad part. This is beautiful. Most people get this part right and then stop. But I'm not done. I also have a y. So I plug this in for x. 3 minus 2, so y is 1. So my answer is 3, 1. So you do this problem right now and then turn me back on. So I'd have y equals 5 minus 3x, solve for y, plug this back into the other one. So x plus 2 times 5 minus 3x equals 5. So x plus 10 minus 6x equal 5. So I'm going to combine the x's and subtract 5. Minus 5x equals 5. Oh, excuse me, that's negative 5. 5 minus 10. So x equals 1. But again, I'm not done. I have to find the other variable. So I'll put this back up here. 1 plus 2y equals 5. Subtract 1, 2y equals 4. So y equals 2. So my answer is 1, 2. Now, the second method I showed you, of course, I showed you the graphic method, but I don't care for the method. But anyways, is the elimination method when you multiply the equations by a number so that you get one set of opposite coefficients. So I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 5. So I'd have minus 5x and positive 5x. So minus 5x minus 15y equals negative 50. So 5x minus 2y equals negative 1. So I'd have minus 17y. Oh, I add the equations. This drops out. If a variable term doesn't drop out, I did something wrong. So divide both sides by negative 17. And I do believe that would be 3. So put that back in. X plus 3 times 3 equals 10. So x plus 9 equals 10. So x equals 1. So my answer is 1, 3. So do this one right now, and I'll wait. Okay, so multiply this equation by 3, this one by 2 to get opposites for the y. So you'd have 9x plus 6y equal 15. So this would be 8x minus 6y equals 2. So 17x equals 17. So x equals 1. So I'd have 3 plus 2y equals 5. 2y equals 2, so y equals 1. So my answer is the owl. Ooh. We're going to end this video with imaginary numbers. Oh my goodness, we've been doing this so much lately. Do these 4. And then turn me back on. Okay, so 3i plus 5i, that would be 8i. Distribute the 2i, so it's 6i plus 4i squared. But wait a minute, I squared is negative 1. So it'd be negative 4 plus 6i. Now, a lot of people get this one wrong. They go, this is 36, but no. It's 2i times 3i, so it's 6i squared, which is negative 6. This is 7 plus 2i. 7 plus 2i. So it's 49 plus 28i plus 4i squared. But I squared is negative 1, so this is minus 4, so it'd be 45 plus 28i. So you have 5 more. Do these, and then turn me back on. So 75 is 25 and 3. Square root of 25 is 5, so it'd be 5. Negative on the square root, you got to pop your I out. Here, multiply top and bottom by I. So it's 3i over 2i squared. But I squared is negative 1. So minus 3i over 2. This one be 3 plus 5i plus 20 plus 4i. So it'd be 23 plus 9i. This one would be I to the 100, I cubed. 100 is divisible by 4, so it's I to the 4th to the 25th, so it'd be 1. 1 times anything is the anything, and I cubed is negative I. This one you multiply by the conjugate. So you multiply top and bottom by 6 plus I. So we have 30 plus 5i. 36 minus I squared. So this would be 30 plus 5i over 37. So I think we only have like 3 more parts to go. But anyways, have a good day.